Good morning. At the last minute, I just decided to show you how I'm using some of my tomatoes. I'm using my Instapot here, and I'm hitting it manual for 3 minutes. I'm putting the tomatoes in here, right here. I've just taken them all out. I'm using the Foley mill here to grind it to get the juice. I've got all the juice here, and I think I'm going to make some spaghetti sauce. So that's what I'm going to show you. So don't go too far. I'm bringing you along. Okay, just wanted to show how I filled it up. And here is the max line right here. So it's at its max. I'm going down here. I'm going to hit manual. And it's gone manual for 3 minutes. Let me switch hands here. You heard it sing. Now I'm putting the toggle switch for the steam right there. So there we go, and I'll bring you back. Okay, here we go. I'm going to open the cover. There's no steam. Just like that. These are the tomatoes already with the skin split. I've got my food mill here. And this is how much sauce, juice I've got so far to make into sauce. Hook this back on so you can see how it works. Take out a tomato right there, just like that. Take out a few of them, just like this, just to give you an idea how it's done. And then I'll show you the next step. Then you take the food mill, just like this, and all you do is grind it. Just like this. And it collects all the seeds and all the stems. So you don't have to worry about it. Sure it gets all down there good. This will be enough juice to make spaghetti sauce, I hope. I haven't made it in years, and I've never made it in the Instapot, so that will be totally new for me to make. This would work just as fast if I had a whole bunch of tomatoes in the food mill, or just a little. But see, folks, that's all you get right there is just the skin and seeds, and you get all the goodness in here, just like this. So that's a good amount, but that's going to be reduced down, so I'll bring you back to the next step. Okay, was thinking about putting this in the Instapot, but do you see how big that bowl is? I'm not quite sure, but I think I'm going to have to go get something else. But here it is right here, all ready to make sauce. It looks beautiful. Now I just gotta make up my mind and see what I'm gonna do. Okay, let the fun begin. I'm using my Fresh Tech. It can be used as a slow cooker. It can be, see right here, you can do canning, you can do high, you can do medium, and you can do low. So I decided to put it on my low, and I'm gonna show you inside. It's quite large. I've put garlic and onion and parsley and Italian seasoning and basil. So we won't see this again until it's done. Hi there, my sauce is finally done after the second day. It's been on just about medium going. It hasn't sticked at all. I have a very nice pan here. I've got 1.5 jars with a tablespoon of lemon juice in it, and this sauce tomato sauce is going to be really yummy. I've got the canner going now. The jars have been all washed and cleaned out, and we're gonna get going because we're gonna process them at hot water bath for 40 minutes. So I'll bring you back. Okay, we've got 6.5 pints here. I put a tablespoon of lemon juice Now I'm going to take a Chinese stick and just go in and make sure there's no bubbles, just like that. And then what I'd like to do, I like to wipe all around here really well, because you don't want any sediment at all, because if there is, they will not seal very well. This has been in hot boiling water. You want to put a lid on like, excuse me, a lid on like that. And then you want to finger tight this on. Then you want to finger tighten it, and then you just want to back it off just a little. Just a little. You want to finger tighten it and then just back it just a hair. So that one's done. I'll show you one more. I want to take the debubbles out like that. You want to wipe really well around the rim of your jar. And this sauce has been cooking for 2 days at a medium cook in a fresh tech cooker. Absolutely love. Now we're putting a lid on, a nice hot lid. Then we're putting the jar cover on. We're going to put it finger tight. The thing is, everybody's finger tight is different. This would be my finger tight, and then I'm going to back it off. Finger tight, then I'm going to back it off just a little bit. So everyone's different. So when I get this all done, I'll bring it out and show you the results. Okay, they're ready to go in the jar, the canner. They were filled 3/4 of the way up, which means right about there on the jar, and with a tablespoon of lemon juice, and these are 1.5 pints, and they're going in the hot water canner for 40 minutes. We'll bring you back. Okay, folks, here is 6.5 pints, 6 jars of 1.5 pints each. Look at that. Doesn't that look awesome? So they are in the canner for 40 minutes, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And that's going to be a wonderful tomato sauce. So I just thought I'd bring you with me while I made it. It was spur of the moment thing. So hope you enjoy this video. Please give me thumbs up or give me thumbs down. Please subscribe if you haven't. Just click that bell so you get all the new videos and live streams when I do them that come out. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless.